Hi guys, it's Mike here again. Today we're going to be opening brand new Alakazam V box. Super psychic powers will be ignited in this box. We're getting into this Alakazam V box. Powers of Kazam have returned after 20 long years. With potent psychic powers of pair of shining spoons, Alakazam V can outsmart its opponents on a field of battle. The psychic power Pokemon intelligent memory skills are off to the charts and it's ready to take its place on your side. Alright, let's see. We're going to find out what's inside of this. Alright, crack this open, toss that away, and get into the batch here of stuff. Open that up. Get our little promo card of Alakazam out of here. And gently get him there. Throw that away. And got our big card here. Alakazam. With Zen Spoon and Mind Ruler. And then, wow, it could put 3 damage counters anywhere it wants. Wow, that's crazy. And we got our small version there. And we'll also get into our 4 packs and throw this away. Alright, so we got a Vivid Voltage, Sword and Shield, another Vivid Voltage, and a Sun and Moon base. Nice. So we're going to start with the Sun and Moon and the code card for the box. And work our way to the Vivid Voltage last. There we go. Alright, off to opening and decent stuff. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got ourselves a energy of grass, Great Ball, Bulldor, Lily, a Spearow, Psyduck, Eevee, a Pick-a-Peck, a Meowth, a reverse rare candy, and a non-hollow 2 Cannon. From that pack. Alright, off to our Sword and Shield pack. And let's see what we got here. Flip it around. Oh, white and gray. That's a good sign. There we go. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4 from the back. Alright, let's see. Hopefully, fingers crossed. Psychic Energy. A Raboot. Lumberry. Aurora Energy. Oh no, I see something bad. No, there's something big back there. Sinistea. That was Sword and Shield, right? Could it be Zacian's powers? Maractus. A Pikachu. A Meowth. Galarian. Sizzlipede. A Sizzlipede. Reverse. And holy garbage moly crack. Holy wow. I'm blown away. A Zacian V full art. That is amazing. That goes really well with our Zacian V promo that we just got out of that Zacian box. That's insane. I'm literally flabbergasted on that one. That's a really good card. I can't believe we just pulled one out of the Sword and Shield. That's insane. Alright, off to our Vivid Voltage. Let's see if we can stay strong. Oh, we are staying strong. Alright, white and green. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we got our Metal Energy. Wow, that's insane that we pulled Zacian. That beautiful card. It's so gorgeous. Mariana, Trumbeak, Hitmontop, Arrokuda, a Nincada, Pick-a-Peck, a Poochyena, Rockruff, Memory Capsule, and a Holo Rare Zapdos. Very nice. And last pack of this opening here. Let's see what we got. Can we finish strong? What the what? Oh, we got something. We got a green code. 1, 2, 3, 4. Arceus, if you're with me, come on. Let's do it. Oh no, there's another one. Oh God, what is it? There's something V back there. It's shiny. That's not cool. I'm losing it. All right. Water Energy. Excadrill. Macargo. Nessa. A Chatot. A Joltik. A Cottony. A Mudbray. Please, if it's a Pikachu, I'm going to scream. Slugma. Alistair Reverse. And, whoa my God, Ampharos V Full Art. Gorgeous card. That is amazing. 2 full arts in that box. That was insanity. And a holo rare. That is just wow. Alright, that was amazing. Thank you, Zacian, for pulling your twin out of that one. That is insane. Plus a Bolton and all these other lovely cards. That is craziness town. That was really fun and super good. I can't believe I pulled those. That was great.